An explosion is occurring in the Shiba Inu. Shibarium exhibits immense quantities. Almost a year has passed since we last observed that. Is the arrival of the billions of Shiba Inu burns soon? In the same way as in December, when Shibarium was exhibiting absurd numbers, history is repeating itself, and the whales are not unconscious. We have been able to capture some of the most significant movements that are taking place behind the scenes. However, what genuine events are taking place? For what reason am I so enthusiastic? Okay, allow me to elaborate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Some genuine concerns have been raised within the Shiba Inu society as a result of a recent discovery. This issue is not entirely unexpected. The condition of Shiba Inu proprietors is unexpectedly disclosed by a critical on-chain metric. It was an unexpected turn of events, particularly for a community that had anticipated consistent expansion. The Shiba Inu army is acutely aware that unexpected events are almost the norm for them, despite the fact that startling news can feel like a serious setback. The Shiba Inu community is set apart from others by their resilience to surprises. They possess a distinctive quality of being prepared to confront the unexpected and consistently adaptable, the characteristics that define membership in the Shiba Inu action. However, what had just transpired? Quelle est la préoccupation? In fact, the data indicates that only 2% of Shiba Inu owners are short-term investors, which implies that nearly none of the Shiba Inu supply is being purchased and sold at a rapid pace. This has sparked a genuine debate regarding the demand for Shiba Inu and the possibility for future expansion. At the outset, it appears to be illogical. How could this possibly be a problem? Isn't it a positive development that individuals grasp onto their tokens? Actually, not that much. With a token such as Shiba Inu, whose popularity has surged as a result of meme culture and a significant publicity wave, the absence of active short-term investors could indicate a decline in its market share. Typically, a meme-based asset may be considered a red flag if there is a decrease in speculative interest, which is indicative of a decrease in short-term trading activity. On the plus side, a robust foundation of long-term holders may indicate stability, which is typically advantageous. But for a token that is driven by enthusiasm, the absence of short-term interest could result in a decrease in the energy and chatter surrounding it, which is a cause for concern for many. This unique combination of stability and diminishing enthusiasm places Shiba Inu in an intriguing position, in contrast to the majority of crypto initiatives. The Shiba Inu is situated at a distinctive juncture, where it combines the characteristics of a long-term asset and a meme-driven speculative token. This distinguishes it from the majority of other crypto assets. For Shiba Inu, there is an additional metric that suggests that there may be a significant development in the works. According to the latest research conducted by Santiment, the Shiba Inu is becoming a potential aberration, despite the ongoing decline in both the crypto and equity markets. The Shiba Inu is exhibiting unexpected upside potential, despite the apparent slowdown in the broader market bull rally. And the crowd's conjecture becomes more circumspect. The market sentiment shift is what renders this circumstance even more compelling. Traders are currently experiencing a growing sense of skepticism following a prolonged period of optimism. This change in sentiment could have significant implications for the Shiba Inu. Santiment's analysis observes that despite the fact that crypto remains extremely volatile, markets frequently deviate from popular expectations, even for established tokens such as Shiba Inu over time. This pattern of reversal may be advantageous for Shiba Inu, indicating that the community may experience unanticipated growth, despite the market's overall cooling. For example, Crypto Basic reports that Shiba Inu has experienced a significant 719% decrease in one-day sentiment, which underscores the increasingly pessimistic sentiment among everyday investors. However, the twist is as follows. Nevertheless, substantial proprietors have been discreetly assuming responsibility despite the overwhelming negativity. The inflows from these big holders have increased by more than 500% over the past 90 days, indicating a consistent accumulation scenario. This trend indicates that certain significant actors may be preparing for an increase in the value of Shiba Inu. The fact that inflows have increased by 163% in the past 30 days suggests that significant holders are strategically positioning themselves in anticipation of future price fluctuations. And in the near future, we are also witnessing consistent interest, as 7-day inflows have increased by more than 1%, indicating a consistent level of commitment from larger investors. The consolidation of significant actors, particularly in the context of such intense negative sentiment, adds an intriguing dimension to the story of Shiba Inu. It suggests that certain traders may be waiting for a reversal, despite the fact that the majority of the public is concentrating on the present decline. However, this is still only the beginning. The large whales are not the only ones engaging in these behaviors. An unknown titan has recently withdrawn nearly 12.7 billion Shiba Inu coins from Coinbase, according to recent data from Arkham Intelligence. This acquisition is not merely a one-time transaction. It is valued at just over $200,000. There is a much more significant revelation to be made when one examines the address associated with this withdrawal. A substantial quantity of Shiba Inu tokens was already present in this wallet. Thanks to this most recent addition, the total number of Shiba Inu is now a staggering 135 billion, which is equivalent to approximately 2.38 million USD. This mysterious whale has been continuously withdrawing substantial sums of Shiba Inu from Coinbase for the past 2 days, which implies that it has a serious intention. Why would an individual withdraw such a substantial quantity of Shiba Inu from an exchange such as Coinbase? One possible explanation is that this consumer is optimistic about Shiba Inu. Another equally intriguing potential is that this wallet could be owned by Coinbase itself as they prepare for a significant event. With regard to the present day, this theory is rendered even more persuasive. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, abruptly initiated the promotion of Shiba Inu to its users. This promotion by Binance has incited renewed enthusiasm among the Shiba Inu community, causing speculation that Shiba Inu may be preparing for significant changes. The circumstances could not be more intriguing. The abrupt spotlighting of the token by Binance, in conjunction with an unknown titan removing substantial quantities of Shiba Inu from Coinbase, has sparked considerable anticipation and raised eyebrows. Combined, these signals suggest that there may be a significant development occurring behind the scenes, which is providing the Shiba Inu community with a plethora of conversations. In addition, there is some recent information that has caused a stir among the Shiba Inu community. It is finally time for Shibarium to take off. The initial introduction of Shibarium was met with a surge of optimism, which incited enthusiasm in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and the wider Ethereum Layer 2 community. Since then, the network has experienced consistent growth, achieving a variety of milestones at varying rates. Today, however, Shibarium is exhibiting an extraordinary phenomenon. According to the scanned data from Shibarium, the protocol has recently recorded a staggering 4.77 million everyday transactions. This figure is truly remarkable, despite the fact that Shibarium's daily transaction count is frequently subject to fluctuations. Early this month, it experienced daily transaction lows of approximately 3,000, but this abrupt increase to nearly 5 million is a shocking development in its adoption narrative, and the exact cause of this surge remains unknown. The Shiba Inu team's assurance regarding Shibarium's potential, which was initially questioned by many, has been significantly validated by this development. Shibarium, a center for decentralized applications and NFTs, is a thriving community of devs who are perpetually starting new projects. Their collective endeavors may be the driving force behind this substantial increase in transactions, demonstrating the ecosystem's true vitality. Unexpected and profoundly significant, this is breaking news. Shibarium's surge indicates a new level of activity and adoption, thereby verifying that a significant event is in the works within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It is an exhilarating occasion that suggests even greater possibilities lie ahead. The key issue at this time is, however, whether this increase in transactions will persist. Shibarium has emerged as one of the most actively utilized Layer 2 networks in the Ethereum ecosystem as a result of this transaction surge. To provide context, the most effective Layer 2 network over the last 30 days has been Base, as indicated by L2B data. In the future, Shibarium could surpass Base if it maintains this remarkable pace, as evidenced by its 164 million transactions. I find it intriguing that this surge is not a mere coincidence. These figures are excessively high, and the disparity is too substantial to be dismissed as an anomaly. It is crucial to maintain this level of activity, as a situation identical to that of last December may arise if Shibarium continues to conduct daily transactions. Additionally, Shibarium was receiving millions of transactions per day at that time, which resulted in substantial revenue from petrol fees. In the process, the Shiba Inu team was able to consume hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Shiba Inu tokens by converting that revenue. In the event that this new transaction growth is maintained, it could result in a substantial increase in the consumption rate of Shiba Inu, which could potentially increase the value of the token and reduce its supply. A highly significant event for the community. It is possible that this is the reason for the increasing excitement. Shiba Inu's future may be significantly affected by Shibarium's activities, and the community is aware of this probability. Nevertheless, what are your thoughts on this matter? Let us know your opinions in the comments section. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.